Hey guys, I'm down here in the garage today playing with this thing. Here's a little sneak peek of what's going on with it. But I had to stop. I've been watching some videos. In case you haven't seen it, the ZR1 got released today. It looks amazing. They're releasing the information on it. Check out this video of it.
The next and ultimate step in the C7 lineup. The fastest, most powerful Corvette we have ever created. Introducing to the world the 2019 Corvette ZR1.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm welcome to Taj Jugta, Corvette Chief Engineer, and Tom Peters, Director of Design, Chevrolet Performance Cars.
Thank you very much and good evening. Engineered the new LT5 engine, 6.2 liters supercharged V8 to produce an SAE certified 755 horsepower and 715, very conservative, 715 foot-pounds of torque. As a result, the ZR1 will hit a top speed easily of over 210 miles an hour. The new engine features an Eaton supercharger with 52% more displacement than the one on the Z06. There's a 95, almost 4-inch diameter throttle body. We had custom engineered for this engine. Biggest one we've ever done in General Motors, biggest one ever in a Corvette. The engine also has a dual fuel injection system. It's one of the only engines in the world that features both direct injection and port injection. For transmissions, we have the 7-speed rev-matching manual transmission as standard. And for the first time ever on a ZR1, we're going to offer an automatic. Our 8-speed paddle shifting is available.
Now, how do we keep all that power cool and under control? Well, one of the features on the ZR1 is the all-new front fascia. There's large 3-port openings that feed and cool the LT5. In fact, the entire front clip is new for ZR1. Also are the powerful halo hood, the wider fenders that accommodate the 1/2-inch wider wheels,
front splitter and end caps, Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, along with custom calibrations for the track for suspension and chassis controls.
The package also includes this carbon fiber adjustable wing. It's taller than the standard wing and is stanchion mounted directly to the frame, and it creates about 60% more downforce than the Z06 with the Z07 performance package.
In fact, it's actually adjustable, 5 degrees of adjustment based on driver's preference and how they like the car set up on track. and it can generate close to 1,000 pounds of downforce at top speed. On a lot of cars, you'll see big wings, they'll be attached directly to the hatch. That simply would not work for a car with this much downforce. Those forces would actually physically deflect the hatch and change the attitude of the wing, possibly destabilizing the car. So like a race car, the ZR1 has a cast aluminum truss structure that goes right through the rear fascia, all the way down to the bumper beam, applying those loads directly into the body structure.
From front to back, the ZR1 has the most carbon fiber construction ever in a Corvette, providing both lighter weight and strength that's needed for it to be a world-class performer. In addition to the hood, engine cover, and rear port are the carbon fiber parts that are also included. That is the roof, the front splitter, side rail, and then also on the quarter panel with the cooling intake. The ZR1 also features our sea green orange interior package, which includes